Oke teman-teman, balik lagi bersama saya. Nama saya Zia. Jadi di sini ada orang yang bernama Tunggul. Aneh-aneh aja dia teman-teman. Angkat sepeda pun dicuci pakai hujan gitu kan. Mau dibol-bol labannya biar nggak bocor teman-teman. Sungguh aneh asli Tunggul ini. Berarti kita pindah ke lain ini. Tunggul membalap ini dengan sepeda ban yang bocor. Nah, bocor dan dia lihat bawahnya tuh set udah bocor kali teman-teman. Kalian baca bocor itulah keajaibannya Tunggul. Nah, sepeda bocor teman-teman, pas dia belum ada kawan teman-teman. Kayak gini ya penampakan dia, muka dan mainan dia pun kayak gini ha. Bersihkan pakai selop.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop.
4 buat rumah.